Good morning, adventurers. We are here in Red Wing, Minnesota at Memorial Park. Off for a hike this morning? Let's go. So, we are at Memorial Park. It is about 6 degrees. A little windy today. I think the feels like temperature is supposed to be like -10, -15 maybe. Oh yeah, and I can hear the wind blowing through the trees. All right. So Memorial Park is closed in the winter time, but they do have some winter hiking trails here and snowshoe trails, which we are going to take part of. So I can't enter on the top. There is a parking lot in the back. A link in the description below where I started from. And we're going to be hiking up to the top of this bluff and seeing some views from the top. Let's go. I think it's about 3 miles, 3-mile loop. All right, getting started here. Going up the hill. As you can see, probably, this is a groomed trail for cross-country skiing. So you're not actually supposed to walk on it, even though I guess that sign there says hiking trail. So I'm trying to walk on the side. I don't know, there's lots of footprints on it. I don't know. Normally you're not supposed to walk on a groomed cross-country ski trail. You're supposed to walk on the side over here. So that's what I'm doing. Although a lot of times it's not possible because of all these bushes on the side. They don't really leave enough room for a walker. But apparently that's what you're supposed to do. The problem is, and I saw people talking about this online, about whether or not you're supposed to walk on a groomed cross-country ski trail and like what the etiquette is. And someone made a good point that they should post signs about it, educating people on what they want you to do, because I don't even know. I've looked into it and it's like you get, some people say you walk on the edge, some people say you need to walk off the side, some people say it's okay to walk in the middle, but not in the tracks, because there's tracks over here. So some people say as long as you're not walking in the tracks, you're fine. Like I said, the park is closed, so I have to park on the edge and hike in. Meaning I have to park at the bottom of the bluff, and we're hiking a few hundred feet up. Woo! I gotta be careful not to sweat. I don't want to sweat, that's bad. Beautiful day though. Nice clear sky. Hawks and birds flying all over. Beautiful day. All right. Alright, I've gotten off the groomed trail and off on the snowshoe trail. I didn't bring my snowshoes because it's not really that much snow. A little bit. I'd say probably 3 inches. We got about 3 inches on the ground. Is that deer? But I did put on my micro spikes since I'm going uphill, some pretty steep uphills at times. That trail came out back onto this groomed ski trail. It's about probably a little over a third of the way. Some echoing going on here. But I think I'm going to cut a little short. First of all, those two, I said there was a lookout coming up. There's actually 2 of them. But I didn't see any view. There wasn't really anything to see. But I'm kind of having trouble regulating my body temperature. It's kind of I shouldn't have picked such a difficult hike. I knew it was going to be a lot of uphill. So I'm kind of sweating a lot, which is bad, especially when it's as cold as it is. The wind chill right now is -10. So, and my camera and my phone are already starting to fail me. I had to put them inside my jacket for about 10 minutes just to get it to record this. So, I'm going to start heading back down. I don't want hypothermia. This will be a little bit of a short video, but I'm going to come back here some other time when it's not so cold and I can explore a little more of the area. I ended up getting a couple of little views after all. Very nice. Wow, check this out. What a spot. Just awesome. And I thought we missed all the views. I must have just gone up the wrong way. This is just awesome. Alrighty, adventurers. Back here at the car. This was actually kind of a cool place. I was, when I got here, I was actually surprised at the one-track trail. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting more, a more finished park with, wide gravel trails, kind of like the ski trails that I walked on. I didn't expect them to have single track trails, so that was a nice surprise. Otherwise, all the trails here and everything were extremely well marked. There was a marker every 100 feet or so. It was just very cold, very cold. So hiking up several hundred feet got my blood flowing, started sweating. And that could be dangerous in cold temperatures like this. So, and then on top of that, camera gear was failing. So yeah, had a great time. There's some great views. Definitely going to come back here some other time and check this place out more thoroughly. Thanks everyone for joining me, and I will see you next Monday right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.